If you are looking for a helmet brand to work with a long term, this is not just about current sales. What really matters are three things: product differentiation, consistent quality, and the ability to grow long term. This is exactly what MY is built on. Before launching MY, we already spent over 20 years in the helmet industry. MY didn't start from zero. It's built on a complete and mature manufacturing system. From production to supply chain, we ensure stable output and scalable capacity, and exactly the kind of security our partners care about. MY offers a full range of product lines to meet different market needs and help our partners build a clear and sustainable profit structure. At the same time, we are expanding globally and build a solid market presence. MY is not just an idea, it's already happening in real market. For us, MY is not more than just design. We focus on safety, comfort, and overall performance in every product. More importantly, every helmet is developed and manufactured in lines with international standards, such as ECE 22.06 and DOT. Quality comes from system and experience, and we follow ISO 9001 standards and run in-house laboratory testing. Every batch is carefully inspected to ensure consistent quality. MY is already building a growing presence worldwide. Most of our products are in stock available with a short lead time, so we can respond quickly to the market demand. MY is more than just a product supplier. We provide a complete support system, from product to the market, from marketing support to the after-sales service. We work side by side with our partners to build a sustainable business together. MY is focusing on long-term growth through continuous R&D and improvement. We are steadily expanding into a global market and building something that lasts. The market never lacks products. What's true here are the brands with differentiation, stable quality, and long-term potential. That's exactly what MY is building, and we are looking forward to growing this business with you.